Alright, so this is 101 on a hood cleaning. This is a small one. This is a Moe's restaurant. Got to cover up everything. You don't want any of your chemical getting on anything. So this is the fryer we covered up. You got to make sure it cools down a little, otherwise it'll melt right through the plastic. Covered up all their stationary area so we don't get any chemical on it. And then you got to wrap your hood. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a funnel into that can right there. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cleaning the hood and the exhaust and then the duct. As you can see, this one's not terrible, but it is pretty bad. Covered in grease, the filters are pretty bad. You'll see what they look like after. Check all the suppression system. Do testing on everything. Make sure the fan and everything works before I leave. That's going to be an issue tonight. I'm going to have to take care of that before I do anything. And this is a before. I'll show you what it looks like when it's ready to get sprayed down, and then we'll go from there.